We all have our preset stations on our radio, those stations that we're comfortable with, that we like to listen to. It's familiar, even if it's not great all the time, it's what we expect. And then imagine someone comes along and says, "Oh, you've got to check out this radio station called Abundance FM. It's fantastic. The music is amazing. The DJs are funny." And so part of you says, "All right, I'm going to turn on my radio and I'm going to think about it and maybe I'll get that station." And that's never going to work. But then we might just say, "Ah, well, it's not meant for me to have it." Now, most of us will then go on and say, "Okay, I need to tune the radio and we'll adjust the dial." And, we try to find it, but, we just get static. We can't quite tune into it. And we start to make excuses. Well, the station just doesn't have a strong signal. Or maybe these people are lying and that station doesn't really exist. Or maybe we just take it on ourselves and say, "I guess I don't deserve to get that station. My radio is old, the antenna's broken, whatever it might be." And we go back to our preset stations. Nothing wrong with that, but you deserve better. And it's not about being stupid or lazy or anything like that, that you're not totally fine tuning it. It's that you have old programming about what you're allowed to experience, what you're allowed to hear, what you're allowed to get in your life. Fortunately, that programming can be changed. And we're going to use a process called tapping or EFT to do that over my 5-day challenge called Tune In to Abundance. Now, it can be Abundance FM, it can be Love FM, Health FM, whatever it is that you want to experience. That's out there to be experienced, but you have to tune the radio before you get that signal. You got to do the work inside, get to that frequency, and then you have that experience. And so that's what we're going to do over 5 days from March 16th through 20th at 10 a.m. Pacific. And I hope you'll join me for that. It's a free 5-day challenge, and you can find out more information at tapwithbrad.com/challenge. I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.